Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? Today I will be making some potato salad. In mine, I'm going to use Irish potato, bell pepper, red onions. To make mine different, I'm going to use some pickle, corn, vegan mayo I made, and salt and pepper. So guys, you can see the potato salad is finished and you can see the colors popping. Oh my god, look at my vegan mayo. Look like real mayo. It is real mayo. My sweet corn, my red pepper, my purple onions. It's so nice. If you try it, you let me know how it tastes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing plant-based dishes. Until next time, bye.